Calling all YouTube channels. Are you bogged down by hundreds of comments across all of your videos? Well, what if you could create an AI agent that responds to each of these comments as if it were you? Let me show you how to do it. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Head on over to youraiagent.com. First, enter your name and email address, password, re-enter your password, and then click sign up. It's going to drop you onto the settings page. We connect with a variety of platforms for each of your business tasks. But for this one, we're going to be connecting our YouTube channel. So I'm going to click YouTube. Then we need to name our integration within youraiagent.com. I'll name it my channel name, which is WestGPT. Then we need our channel ID. To find your channel ID in your YouTube studio, you'll see it as the last bit of the URL. So it's this portion right here. I'm going to copy it, go back into youraiagent.com and paste it in, then click connect. It will take you to a Google OAuth screen. Now you need to click the email address that owns the YouTube channel that you're trying to connect. They have to sync properly. So I'm going to click that email address. All right, then choose your YouTube channel. For some reason, it's not pulling my recent name. It used to be called In the Symposium. So I know it's this one. I'm going to click on it. It will say that Google hasn't verified this app yet. This is not a problem. It's under the verification process now. But in the meantime, just click advanced and then go to youraiagent.com. Don't worry, you can trust me. It's going to ask for access to 3 services for the YouTube. Click continue. And then you'll get the notification that your YouTube channel has been connected. I'm going to click OK. It will bring you back to the connections page. And then if I scroll down, I can see my newest connection up top here. It is the YouTube connection. I can rename it at any point or remove it altogether. Next, we're going to click API keys. We connect with a bunch of large language models. My personal favorite is GPT-4 Omni. So that's under OpenAI. But if you want a completely free version, you could use Gemini. Gemini 1.0 is completely free, doesn't cost you any money, you don't need a credit card, and you can start responding to comments on your YouTube channel for no cost. But I don't want to blow my cover, so I'm going to be using the better models. For OpenAI, click this hyperlink. It will take you to platform.openai.com, and I'm going to click create new secret key. Let's call it YouTube, create secret key, copy this key, and then paste it into the input box here. If this is your first time using the developer console of OpenAI, this is the company that makes ChatGPT, but we are using the API for other use cases. And they've changed things around quite a bit. So you have to click settings in the top bar now, and then billing. So add a valid payment method, and then credits to your account. You can also turn auto recharge on so that your AI workflows never stop running. But you can just add $5 to $10 to start. That will last you quite a bit. All right, next we're going to click on subscription and then subscribe. It will take you to a secured Stripe checkout page. Youraiagent.com is $9 per month. And that covers unlimited connections, unlimited integrations, unlimited workflows, unlimited comments responded to. You can run this indefinitely for $9 per month. And it also grants you access to all of the other AI tasks. Okay, now the fun stuff. So your AI agent currently has 7 AI tasks. All of these help your business in one way or another. And we added a new sort field up here, because we'll be adding LinkedIn, Pinterest, newsletters, a bunch of other fun stuff. I have videos on my channel about these other AI tasks. Check out the featured playlist, but we're going to be going to YouTube Responder. So it responds to new comments from viewers on your YouTube channel. Let's give it a click. And now we can set up this AI agent to run on our behalf. First, you need to select your connection in the drop-down box up here. I only have one YouTube connection, so by default, it is selected. And let's read the agent info. Increase engagement by responding to all comments across your YouTube channel. Use the agent prompt to individualize your bot so that it sounds exactly like you. I'm going to click read more. In the back end, we take the comment, the video's title, and the video's description to understand the meaning behind the text. This makes crafting the reply more relevant. We also have some tips and tricks. I found that the text model GPT-4o works best. This AI agent will respond to all future comments, so not past comments. We also keep track via IDs so that comments are never doubled up. It replies to the top level comment only. So if there are replies to the top level comment, it won't touch those. It will only touch the top comment. And then use the agent prompt feature to make your bot unique. All right, let's collapse this. First, we need to choose our text model. So I've chosen GPT-4 Omni. I'm slowly rolling out a new feature for all of the agent tasks. So if you select an AI assistant that was created in your developer platform, so for example, Newsletter GPT, it opens up this toggle, do not use any your AI agent prompting. This is an advanced feature, and when you select this, you are in total control. If you want a more hands-off approach, let me handle everything. I've done some internal testing, and I'm constantly improving the backend prompting. But if you think you can do it better, it's perfectly fine. I don't take any offense, but you have to tell your AI assistant what is going on and how to respond properly. I'm going to turn this off. I'm also going to select GPT-4 Omni. Then we need to choose a language output. I'm going to keep it on English. And then we have our agent prompt. So this is what individualizes our YouTube comment responder. By default, I set you up with a decent prompt. You can just fill in the blanks, or you can create your own. But let's walk through this. So I'm going to go, you are Wes, that owns and operates the YouTube channel. Let's go Wes GPT. Your channel is about AI and automation and makes videos about helping your business. Respond to comments in a friendly and professional way. Use emojis if the comment uses emojis as well. Again, I just hacked this up quickly. You can delete this all and write your own prompt, but this will help get you started. Once that is all ready, you can click Start Responding. It takes me to the Workflows page, and I can see all of my active and running workflows. So here it is, YouTube responder number 1. I can rename this workflow for internal purposes. We see that it's checking for new comments every hour. I can cancel this workflow at any point. I can also change some settings by clicking the edit button. It toggles this new pop-up where I can change the text model, the language, fiddle with the agent prompt. I can also see when the next upcoming comment check is. So it's going to be today at 1:43 p.m. And if there are any error logs, pause it at any point, delete the workflow, resume it, and save your settings. Let me quickly show you what's happening in the back end so you can get a better idea of this AI agent. Okay, here I am in Bubble. As mentioned before, when you start the YouTube comment responder, it's only going to respond to new comments because of a way we track which comments the AI agent has responded to. So on your comments page, it's not going to respond to all of the ones you haven't responded to. So all of these it's going to ignore. But after 1 hour and then every subsequent hour, it's going to respond to new comments. So we have this goofy mean comment. It's avoiding this. So unfortunately, I have to handle this one myself. This would be a nice one for the AI agent. But afterwards, the AI agent is going to take care of all of them. We do that by calling the YouTube API, get comments on your channel ID, and then we save in the database the last comments ID. It's cool that each of these comments on your YouTube channel has a unique ID that tells us what is what. Every single comment across YouTube, so billions of comments, has its own unique identification number. We store that last one. We run through the workflow, and when we get to your text model type, we also pull the video's information. So you can see that each comment is attached to a specific video. That video has an ID too. We use the API call to get the video's title, the video's description, and then we also grab that comment. So we have a holistic view of what that user is trying to talk about. We send that through to OpenAI in this case, and then we respond to that comment with a post reply. Then it recursively goes through this workflow for every new comment until it reaches that last comment ID that we have saved. That tells the AI agent that there is no more new comments to reply to. And then we will save that last comment ID for when it runs again 1 hour later. The system content contains the video's title, the video's description, and your agent prompt. And the backend prompt we're using is reply to this video's comment in as few words as possible. So use that to guide your custom prompting. Be mindful that this is what we're using. I'm using this because I found that shorter replies are better. We don't want our models going off the rails and writing paragraphs and paragraphs of text. It just doesn't make sense. A human would probably never do that, only in very rare situations. So that's why I'm saying in as few words as possible. Because if the comment is long, it might warrant a longer answer. Usually I'd come back in an hour to see the results, but I'm going to fiddle a bit so we can respond to that latest comment. And here's the result. It wrote, "Thank you for your feedback. I appreciate your concern and understand the importance of providing accurate information. I did explore both versions and shared my experiences in the video, but I realize there's always room for improvement. I'll ensure to provide even more comprehensive insights in the future. Your input is valuable in helping me create better content for everyone." I'm going to be honest, the agent handled it much better than what I would have done. If you want to try the YouTube comment responder for yourself, a link to youraiagent.com will be in the description below. If the building in bubble portion of this video was interesting to you, you might like the online course, How to Build a Custom AI App. We have a great community going here. There will be a Discord server soon. I'll leave a link to this as well. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Later.